Don't look any further. 32 counts, 4 walls, high improver. Wait on the left. Section 1. 2 Dorothy step, right and left. Right diagonal lock forward, left diagonal lock forward. Touch side point. 3/4 run around. Quarter, quarter, quarter with sweep. Now facing 3 o'clock. Count section 1. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. Rock, recover with sweep. Make 1/8 turn, facing 430 diagonal. Pony back, back hitch, recover, back hitch. Left coaster step, 2 walk, right, left. Count section 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Make a 3/8 turn, facing 9 o'clock. Stomp, hold. When you hold, you can do hip bump or body roll. Ball side flick behind. Quarter forward, half back, half shuffle forward. Now facing 6. Count section 3. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4. Step forward on right. Heel swivel out center. Together. Left foot rock recover. 2 back with heel swivel. Back left, back right. Sailor quarter turn. Behind quarter side, side. Now facing 3 o'clock. And start the dance again. Count section 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Whole dance count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Wall 2, 16 counts restart. Wall 2, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Instead of 3/8 to the stomp and hold, you will do 3/8 to Dorothy to restart the dance. 3/8 Dorothy restart. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and